that in many instances, public servants, and often they have been living away from their rural setting. They retire and then they go to their rural setting, and it's such a big adjustment, it creates a lot of challenges in their lives. And we want to make sure that they are well equipped and prepared, that there is adequate retirement training, and that in fact we can also use their skills on a contractual or whatever basis. For instance, I give the example of the veterinary officers. When they retire, we should help them set up veterinary clinics. We don't want you to wait for that day when you have retired. Plan now how you will do it. You know, as you are in your last year of service, plan. Organize your finances now. Because what happens is that people retire, then you go home, you're given maybe a lump sum. So in the first few months, you have a lot of money, you have several millions. So you just use it, and then within a year or two, you're finished. So we want them to be able to plan and reflect on what they will do upon retirement, what work they intend to do. And once they follow like that, it makes it for orderly retirement.